Here's a tip on the annual report for your LLC that you have to file every year if you have a active LLC. And that is starting with the corporations and charities website here. If you click on the tab here in the top left, it says Corporations and Charities Filing System, the CCFS. You're going to come to this page and it's going to give you two options: Express Annual Report without changes, no login required, or Express Annual Report with changes, no login required. Now, what I would say is this one is going to go through, in my experience, pretty smoothly. This one, depending on what type of change you need, you might have to actually log in or submit some kind of paperwork. But if you don't have any changes, it's pretty easy. You go into here, search in your business name, and then you can, or by your UBI number, and fill it out. And it barely takes any time. And that's what makes it an express annual report. And it's beautiful.